Mabuhay, everybody. Wednesday afternoon on the farm.
Thursday.
Huh?
Thursday.
It's not Thursday, is it?
Thursday.
It's Wednesday.
Thursday.
It's Thursday? I don't know what day it is. They're all the same to me. What is it, day 3 they've been working on this, right?
Yeah.
Day 3 on the chick brooder coop. My brother-in-law Belas and Romel doing this. Went 2 layers high on the hollow block, kind of keep it off the ground. Door here, and this will all be bamboo. This will be green netting up here. Getting the bamboo pieces ready. And I think I'm gonna clean all this up here and I'm gonna transplant some of this grass from up here down here. See if I can get it to grow. A little outside area for him here, little door there. Let me get out of. That's about all that's been going on. What else been going on?
Not much.
Not much. I bought some more chickens the other day. I was gonna make a video of it, but I didn't. We went to a game fowl farm, Farm Basics game fowl. Bought some more pullets for my sweater line. Be picking them up Friday up in Padre Garcia. All the chickens are doing good. I got some weed killer concentrate while I was in town. I did some spraying yesterday, but we had a brownout last night, and then we had electricity for an hour this morning. It's been a brownout all day, so can't get no water because no electric, the pump's not working. So I was spraying yesterday. I got enough weed killer concentrate to fill that blue tub. It makes 2,000 liters. 1999, so I was like almost 40 bucks, but like I said, 2,000 liters of weed killer. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of spraying, get all this stuff killed, get the weed whacker, and hopefully, I don't know if some of you guys leave a comment, let me know if I kill all this with weed killer and then just let whatever grows up naturally. I'm hoping it'll be grass. I just keep it weed whacked and hopefully that'll all turn into grass, because there's grass in here, but all the weeds overtake everything. So show you the garden. I haven't looked at it for a while. The okra did really good. We got a ton of okra off these just a few plants here. It's like the string beans are about done. There's one here. The string beans we have in the Philippines are really long. Yeah, these are about shot. Okra, they're about shot. I think they harvested yesterday. I think that's gonna be the end of it. Eggplant are coming along. Okay. Like I said, there's not much upkeep done on the garden here. Tomatoes. Hey, we got one tomato, guys. Check it out. All right. So it was worth the effort. Yeah, so the eggplant are coming along okay. We'll see how it goes. It's a little trial run on seeing what grows good. The okra did good, so maybe we'll just stick with okra and eggplant. Sprayed all this yesterday, this whole hill here. Stuff usually takes about a week to kick in. Got all this here. But no water today. Brown out. Can't keep up on my Bitcoin. I know all 11 Bitcoin ETFs have been approved and they start trading tonight. Here it'll be Thursday morning in the US, so see how that turns out. Going good so far. See what happens. All right, guys, quick update on the farm. The chicken brooder coop getting done. Should be done by Saturday. Maybe I'll make a video Saturday, guys. All right, just a quick video for you guys, a little update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see ya later.